To set up photo as a wallpaper on a Samsung S25, just start by opening settings, then navigate into wallpaper and style and move into change wallpapers. Then pick gallery and click on this arrow, and as you can see right here, you can go into your pictures, into your albums. If you want to pick photo from your camera, just select the camera folder, tap on your photo and click done. Right now, you can apply your wallpaper into lock screen or home screen. In my case, if I want to get home screen, I have to only select home screen, click next, and now this is the preview, how it actually looks. But as you can see, we can actually customize it, so we can add some effects. When you go back, we can also add some frame. And when we do this one more time, we can actually find some other options. Let me show you. We can get some suggestions, so the AI will create something from our photo. There we go. And if you want to apply, just click in the right upper corner and click done.